I'm going to explain about my Android app, Digital Diary. Like in 10 to 15 years ago, people were using uh, diaries for writing their memories. As digitalization happened, people can use Android apps to take a picture if they go to somewhere else and to write down what's going on in their mind. So for this, I have used to run my code. I've used Android emulator, and first to that, I need to click on the run button. So my build gets completed successfully. Then Android emulator gets started. So I need to click on my app. So after explaining my app, I'll go into the coding part. This is how my app, the front page looks. I already have the data, the like place, the image, and the details. Now I'm going to show you like how this is going to be done. So I'm going to click on the camera icon. So I'll take a picture from camera. So as this is emulator, I can't directly take a picture of myself. So I'll be taking this picture of square boxes. So I need to click on this blue button for the picture to happen. So I need to click on the tick mark for the image get saved. So after this, it directly goes into the add memory tab. So here I need to add my location. Okay, here for example, I'm going to enter it as Washington and date as 08 50 14 2018. And what's your mind is feeling excited in capital of US. So I'll click the next button. So this takes me to the geolocation. My entry will be saved. So the map starts with zoom 0. And double click, zoom, and I can click a place and mark my location. My location will be saved. I need to press back, and all these details will be saved in the front page, like in row wise. So how many memories I added? So I can check here, and through scroll bar I can drag down. So these a brief description about my app. So I'll be closing my app and I'll be explaining my code, because if I open my app and explain the code, um, this will eat up my RAM. So these are all the three images. This is the camera image, and this is the launcher image I used, and this is the location marker image used in geolocation. So I have used like 5 layouts. This is the activity main layout. So this is how my layout looks when the apps initially get installed. And for this, I'll be adding the items like 1, 2, 3, and 4. And for this layout, I'll be adding the content camera picture layout. So if you see, I can add this layout using include layout. So to go to the entry layout, here is where I'll be entering my location date and the details, and I'll be clicking the next. This can be achieved, and the hint can be coded using Android hint location, and I'll be having my layout with this match parent. So these for the location, and these for the date, and these for the details, and this code is for button, and the text on the button you can change it here. And this is screen list layout. Here is where I have like two layouts, where in one layout I have image, and the other layout I have the image description, memory description, and the date and the location. If you go and check in the text area, here I have linear layout where the image gets fitted, and the relative layout where I have the details of memory and the date, rest everything. So going into the coding part, add memory through this thing. Okay, first let me tell you, this is the DTO. This is the DTO, like data transfer object. Here I have all the setters and getters, like get image, set title, get title name, get ID, everything. So this memory DTO I'll be using in other Java code. So in add memory, I have like memory DTO, and I'll be adding the text. For the text, I have set the max number of lines to 10, and I have enabled the scroll bar here, and I have given the action bar title as add memory, and I have added the image here in the top, and after clicking on the next button, these all these details will be added into the database using this memory DTO. Here I am adding the details into the memory DTO, and I'll add this to database. So for example, if any of these details, my subject or any data of creation is not entered, I'll be showing the details like please fill up the details. Going to database handler, this is my database name, and this is my table name. So I'll be creating tables, and I'll be inserting the data where the key ID is the primary key, and I'll be storing the image title, description, and date. So I have all other main functions like update memory, get all contacts, or get single contact details here, which I'll be using in the rest of the code by calling this function. Digital pic is the code where I request access for camera, and I store the details in camera using memory DTO. If we check here, image is stored. Image is converted to byte array and stored in image byte, and this image byte I'll be adding to the database using this add contact object, and I'll be calling camera through this function. The image adapter. This image adapter is nothing but if you check in the layout, to this image adapter adds data in these places. So if you check here, it adds the text title, date, and description, and the image icon, and location DB. This DB, this database handler DB stores the details of the images and the description, and this location DB stores the details of location, main activity is a place where the Google Maps are called. So for this I need to get permission to access the Google Maps. So first of all I am setting the longitude and latitude and zoom point to 0. So after clicking this function is like for on pressing the back, we go to show entries page and it will be saved. So on clicking the map, so my latitude and longitude, all these values will be set, and it will be stored in the content values object, and this content values object will store all the details in my location DB. This function will check the permission, this function will request the permission. So this part took me more time than any other part in my coding. So that's it. I have already explained the memory DTO. Thank you.